Hello! In today's video I want to show you how to start mining UBIQ. UBIQ has UBIQ hash algorithm similar as ETA hash algorithm, and after the merge and after Ethereum's mining is gone, this is one of the coins you can mine for future profits. Now profits are not so good, same as every other coin, but in the future this coin may get in the price, and you may expect some good profits from UBIQ coin. UBIQ coin is an old coin, it's not something new, and he was first in same algorithm as Ethereum. Now it has own algorithm similar to Ethereum but different. First you need to start mining. You need to get a wallet. Wallet address for UBIQ. If you go on ubiqsmart.com, it will open this window, and from the left side you will see a place when it says get a wallet. So you have a couple of choices where you can get your wallet address, but the most easy way is to go to some of the exchanges and get address from there. On the mining pool stats you can search UBIQ, and it will open the site for UBIQ pools, and if you scroll down you can find UBIQ exchanges. The most known exchange is Bittrex, and you can find address from Bittrex. I am using address from Bittrex, so I will not explaining how to install or get some of these wallets. You can try it if you want, but the easiest way is to get the address from the exchange. After you get your wallet address, you need to find a pool. I will use the first pool on the mining pool stat stream. It's a crazy pool, and miner you will need it for UBIQ mining is Phoenix Miner. You will find in the Google search, just type Phoenix Miner on Bitcoin Talk, and the first link it will open this site, and in the Phoenix Miner on this link, phoenixminer.info downloads, you can click and scroll down, and you will find Phoenix Miner 6.2c windows.zip. Click on this and it will save your miner. Now open your miner, and you will find here, start miner batch file, and start miner edit batch file, and you can edit this. Open with some text editor, and you will see your mining line. So in this batch file you need to change some parameters which you can get from Crazy Pool. So first is your location. I am from Europe, so I will use this server. Okay, replace, and for the mining port is, it says that Stratum port is 3335. So copy this and paste after your pool. Okay, we've changed the pool. Now you need to change this address. This is the default address from Phoenix Group. You need to change this address with your address. I have my address from Bitrex, and you can copy address and replace this address with your address. After the address, you need to enter dot and your rig name. This is for your workers. And in the coin section, you need to change with UBIQ. So the miner recognizes the algorithm you need to mine. Just save this, save, and you are ready to go. If you are on Windows, if you are on Linux or on the simple mining, I am using simple mining. So if you are on simple mining, I will show you how to add your config file here. So here it is. I am on my simple mining. In the moment with one of my rigs, I am mining Kaspa. So if you want to add UBIQ Mining, go to group config and click on the add new group config. Name your group name. And click this run as root. Choose your miner, Phoenix Miner. Choose your version. 6.2c is the latest version. And now in this miner options, from the text file, copy your parameters. So just like that, copy and paste to here. This last couple of commands, I will show you how to remove it. And this is your line now. This minus -r-mode2, leave it, log 0, leave it, and these last two parameters you may delete it. So this is how it's supposed to look like in the simple mining. Just save it. And this is your mining configuration for Phoenix Miner. Now we can try if this is okay. Click on this icon here, and in the actions choose group config. From the group config, choose your UBIQ Mining configuration. Save and reload the mine. The whole mining process you can see if you click on this green E button. And now you can see that I am already mining Kaspa, but now miner will change. It will say start mining. Here it is. And now it will download the Phoenix miner and it will start mining UBIQ. From this side, from the right side of your panel, you can change the parameters for mining. But if you already see, the miner was downloaded and it started to mining UBIQ. It's simple, and you will have no trouble to set up this. Maybe now the price for UBIQ is not so good and not so profitable, but the team from UBIQ Coin is very dedicated and they are working constantly on the project, and I am expecting in some future the price for the UBIQ to go much higher than where it is now. So maybe now where the difficulty is not too great, is not too much up, you can mine more coins and expect a good gains in the near future. You can see already hash rate is going up, so now is 28.72, 29, but this will change if you change your memory clocks. For Kaspa mining you don't need some very high memory clocks, but for UBIQ you may change this to something like this, and click on the save and reload, and now you will see that from 28.9 it will go around 30. It's similar like Ethereum hash rate, so it will consume same energy as same power as Ethereum. So if you want, you may try to mine this coin just to see that this hash rate will go around 30. That's what I'm expecting from my card. And let's see, now it's 26 and slowly rising till miner is configuring the cards. You will see that is more than 30.73. It will go to 31 maybe for some cards. That is how you can mine UBIQ, and if I some way help you with this video, please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment or hit the like button, and support my channel. As you can see, the hash rate is already gone above 31 mega hashes per card. And also I forget to mention you that you can mine this coin with 2 gigabytes card, not just with 4 gigabytes and 8 gigabytes card. You can mine, and with the older cards, 2 gigabytes cards also can mine UBIQ coin. Again, if you like my video and somehow you find useful my video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, leave a comment, and see you next time. Thank you for watching, thank you for being with me on my channel, and see you next time. Bye.